How to add or link debit card on PayPal. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can actually add a debit card to PayPal account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to link your debit card on PayPal, all you have to do is simply open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, just go to paypal.com and then sign into your account. Then once you go to paypal.com and then sign into your account, all you need to do is by default you'll be under dashboard, where it'll give you the option to link a card if you've not added it. Or you can just go to the wallet tab basically as well. Once you go to the wallet tab, it'll ask you to link a new card. Just click on the link a card button here. Once you click on link a card, you can simply enter your debit or credit card number. Once you enter your debit or credit card number, just select your debit card type, which could be a Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Discover or Union Pay. And then once you've done that, just make sure to enter the expiration date of your card, the security or the CVC code, and then after that make sure to enter the billing address. Then click on the link a card button in order to successfully link your card. This is simply how you can go ahead and then actually add a debit card to your PayPal account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you in the next video.